As the sun rises over the horizon, we find ourselves amidst a tranquil coconut grove, where rows of towering coconut palms stand majestically against the azure sky. This picturesque scene sets the stage for the fascinating journey we are about to embark on. Journey of fresh coconut water. Back on the ground, the harvested coconuts are brought to a bustling processing area, where skilled workers carefully slice open each coconut with precision. With a few deft strokes of their machetes, they reveal the hidden treasure within the crisp, clear water that is the essence of the coconut. Journey comes to an end as we witness the final stage of this remarkable process. The journey of fresh coconut water is a testament to nature's bounty and human ingenuity. As you savor the natural, refreshing taste of coconut water, may you be reminded of the journey it took to reach your hands, a journey of passion, dedication, and a deep reverence for nature's gifts.